Stop before you get dressed. Watch this video to find out what not to wear this season. I'm sharing the common style mistakes that might be making you look outdated without even realizing it.
And when I'm out, I'm looking.
Hello beautiful people and a warm welcome back to my channel. My name is Elena and I'm a professional stylist with over 12 years of experience. Today we are diving into the outdated styles that you want to ditch this year and introducing a chic alternatives to boost your style credibility and elevate your fashion game. And I don't like long introductions, so number one piece that you want to ditch this year is knitwear with tapered waistlines and sleeves featuring snug cuffs and hems. So the news is, it was a staple in the previous several decades and its popularity is tied up to the capability of older knitting machines. But fashion has shifted towards more relaxed, laid-back shapes that give us a freedom of movement thanks to new knitting tech. So modern knitwear has straight lines that flow seamlessly into the cuffs and into the hems, giving us more freedom of movement. I'm showing you my favorite knitwear pieces from COS. I've been wearing their sweaters for years and often include them in my clients' capsule wardrobes. High quality for a fair price tag. This gray sweater, just for example, has become their iconic item. They offer pieces in wool, cashmere and merino wool, all really good quality and with a very modern design. And OtherStories has nice collection of a wool knitwear for pretty affordable pricing as well. Notice the straight cut, it lacks any tapered waistline detailing, which really adds to its modern appeal. This is how modern knitwear looks today. And just to mention, this video is not sponsored. I'm sharing my favorite fashion brands that I've been wearing for years now and that I use to create capsule wardrobes for my private clients. So consider this video to be like insider tips from someone who has been in the profession for a pretty long time. Moving on, neon colors. Another trend that really shone in the 90s and had a brief comeback recently, but let's face it, fashion has shifted towards more like chic and elegant vibes, and I believe we all love that about modern styles. And the days of dressing like a highlighter are behind us. Instead, embrace more elegant and expansive looking tones. I'm showing you an outfit with rich and deep burgundy, and just a drop of vivid fuchsia color brings the overall look to life. You don't need neon colors to color up your wardrobe. Use colors wisely and remember, proportions are the key in color palettes. I have styled a lot of burgundy as the main color of the outfit, adding just a splash of bright pink to freshen the overall look. And here's the fun fact. I was recently checking my stats and I was so surprised to find out that 53% of my viewers watch my videos regularly but forget to hit subscribe button. So if you are one of those people, I would love to ask you not to forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my videos. Now dresses. I would say the dresses are the least trend-sensitive item in your closet. Every season we see a wide variety of different cuts and silhouettes and fabrics that give us like real freedom to choose what resonates with your personal style. However, there are 3 types of dresses I would recommend avoiding if you want to stay on the safe side. First of all, avoid dresses with polyester lace all over. They tend to look cheap and dated. Sporty hoodie dresses have never been in style, even though you might sometimes spot them on the street. And bell cuff dresses for the same reason. Go for minimal design, maxi or midi dresses, straight or flared silhouettes. Knitted dresses are the best for fall-winter season. These dresses feature a clean and elegant and timeless design, yet they are cozy, thanks to the knit fabric, of course. I have several timeless knitted dresses that I've been wearing a lot lately, and I'm still eyeing some new options from COS. I love their scarf detail wool dresses. By the way, COS always uses pretty soft and non-itchy wool, so it's a win-win choice. And I want to share today one of my mom's outfits that I borrowed from my video, mistakes that make you look older and how to fix them, featuring my mom's wool dress. This is a beautiful example of a really modern yet cozy and very stylish wool dress for fall winter season. This proves that it's not about your body shape, your age, or the price tag. You can always find something really nice and modern and affordable if you know what to look for. And for those who are new to my channel, I've got a surprise for you. I have developed a very simple yet highly effective style quiz. It will take just a few moments, answer a few questions, and you will get your personal wardrobe plan absolutely free right to your mailbox. This personal wardrobe plan is designed to help you pinpoint what exactly you might be doing wrong while shopping or while creating your outfits and guide you towards better decisions. It will help you create a capsule wardrobe that aligns with your current lifestyle, understand the basics, and create stylish and bold outfits. Follow the link in the description box. This might be your first step towards creating your personal style together with me and with my team. Now, moving on. Mini denim skirts, another beautiful staple from the 90s that has no place in the modern wardrobe, as fashion has generally swung towards more classy and elegant styles. The biggest problem with styling them, especially for colder seasons, is that you have to wear them with tights, and this combination looks so dated. For a more contemporary and sophisticated update, consider opting for straight denim maxi skirts like this one from Frame as a beautiful example of classic maxi denim skirts for fall. Or a paneled maxi skirt, another staple if you love a good jean skirt. And my favorite, H&M midi skirt that I'm planning to wear a lot this fall and winter in dark blue and this beautiful A-line silhouette. I have linked several options from H&M to show you that style is not about the price tag. You can always find something cute and modern even on the high street. So the key takeaway here, opt for maxi or midi skirts that provide the right contemporary silhouette. And by the way, these skirts are much easier to style for the fall-winter season because you don't have problems with choosing the right tights. You just opt for higher boots that hide under the hem of your skirt, and it doesn't matter what tights you're wearing. Short leather shorts. A similar piece to mention here is leather shorts that are pretty short. I remember wearing this combination back in the 2000s, but let's be honest, times have changed a lot since then. The combo of short leather shorts with tights is over. Opt for Bermuda shorts instead. They can still be leather, made of leather, but go for a much longer and looser fit. The overall look is completely different. Or I would better recommend opting for leather skirts, midi or maxi length, it doesn't matter, but opting for a leather skirt, I believe they bring so much elegance and effortless chic to this style. Suede skirts are trending right now, and I believe that it's such a nice wardrobe staple. My favorite button piece for the fall-winter season is definitely a leather or suede skirt. And I have linked several of my favorite suede and leather skirts in the description box, the ones that I'm drooling over. Super chunky loafers and boots, a trend that's been quite eye-catching and edgy recently. However, as we see a shift in fashion towards more refined and timeless pieces, it's a good moment to transition from super chunky loafers. Go for something with a classy sole, or maybe something a bit substantial if you still love that robust look but don't want to go over the top. Like these loafers, for example, they feature the best balance, a slightly heavy sole while still looking modern. It's all about finding that balance, keeping things stylish but not too heavy, perfect for staying comfortable yet looking sharp. And don't forget that you can always opt for a minimal design sole for your loafers or boots that looks absolutely stylish and timeless, and that is so easy to style. All of my favorite boots, all of my favorite loafers, they have the same kind of minimal design sole. Skinny jeans. Let's talk about one of the most controversial topics in the whole fashion world. To be or not to be. skinny jeans edition. Well, it's a fact, skinny jeans are dated. Period. Sure, there are tons of videos from respected stylists showing you how to style your favorite skinny jeans to make them look modern, and I have to admit, some of these outfits do truly look modern. However, it's like trying to save something that is doomed to be out of style. Bell jeans, especially cropped bell jeans, are out of style as well, so I would not recommend wearing them now. Go for straight leg jeans, tapered jeans, slim leg jeans, wide leg jeans. There are so many cool and beautiful and modern options out there. My favorite jeans, which I've been wearing like for a few years already, are these H&M straight leg cropped jeans. They are my favorite jeans. I love their timeless, neutral design that gives me so many opportunities to use them as a blank canvas to express my personal style. H&M, Sezane, COS and OtherStories. I have linked a bunch of great jean options in the description box that might just become your next favorite pair. And I wanted to mention here AGOLDE. It's a modern generation denim brand that has so many stylish and modern styles to wear. I love all of their denim designs. And to wrap up today's video, just a gentle reminder, wearing outfits that reflect modern times standards will make you look fresh and young and up to date, and don't be afraid to let go of something that doesn't serve you anymore. Don't aim to look young, aim to look modern instead, and you'll end up being the best version of yourself. It's all about refining your style to make it reflect who you are today. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. You know the drill. Don't forget to share this video with someone who might appreciate this kind of information. Drop your comments down below, follow me here on YouTube, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, where I share daily style and fashion hacks and tips that you don't want to miss. See you in the next one. Bye! And you're still here, it means you want to watch another video. My recommendation would be stop looking older. Style fixes that make you look younger without Botox, and you don't want to miss this one, because I have asked my mom, who is a little bit over 70, to become a star of the show. So there's a lot of visual proof. I'll see you over there.